2. Hello, and I'm back to unbox again. So, use with using naughty crates here. So, all right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, festive girate. Yeah, girati. Is it a secondary item? Yes. Okay. Yeah, you throw it on people and they get critical hit. It's kind of like, soaked in tea. Yeah. It's basically tea. And the reason I like it, I bought one earlier, but then I sold it, was because it has like a little message on it. So since I have a premium account, what does that mean I can do now? Basically, it means you can trade and pick up more items. You get more item drops. Yes! So, alright, I'm gonna go play a server. Do you want to play that Vatican City, one again? Yeah. Alright, I'm connecting. Join game. Server is full. Can't play it. Well, and then let's play the Pawners TF2 server. Do you have that one in your thing? The one that we were playing earlier? Hold up, 1 second. All right, there's the Pawners TF2 servers. It has 2 openings. Hurry up. No, hold up. Well, I'm gonna look at my loadouts and see what I got going. I might put the Force of Nature on. If you watch Nowsy's video, it's got lights on it and it's got like candy cane wrapping on the barrels. And I'll give him the Manco cap, the scout. All right. Its server is not responding. Probably because it has to download new items because it's a new map. Oh, I'm still recording. Bye, children.